presenting to you our new project, Classense Smart Classroom System, which automates the manually taken attendance in classes and which also turns on and off, which means that it controls the electrical appliances which are in the class. So, first, what the problem statement? Why is Classense so important? So the traditional classrooms are inefficient. They take manually attendance and they also waste the energy, we can say electricity, of the electrical appliances. So what we do, we save the valuable time of class. So the first problem, manual attendance overrun. So valuable time of class waste in roll call that could be used for learning. The first point. And the second point is energy wastage. Lights and fans remain on in empty classrooms with no automatic system. And the third point is no centralized monitoring. So there is no system to monitor and control classroom status remotely. So there is no system. And the fourth point is security gaps. So there are no real-time alerts and also response systems for security incidents. And fifth and the last point is that zero automation. Every work is done manually without any automatic system and also without any IoT integration. So what our project Classense wants to achieve, aims to achieve. So the first point is automate operations. It wants to handle the operations, the attendance and the appliances control automatically. The second point is it wants to reduce energy use. It reduces the electricity consumption using IoT based presence detectors. And the third point is real-time monitoring. It enables live classroom monitoring through dashboard. The fourth point is improve safety. It instantly alerts on unauthorized access or abnormal activity. And the fifth and the last point is scalable architecture. Build an expandable modular system which can be more expanded for future purposes. And the automation flow of Classense is this. So the first, the PR sensor detects the motion and sends the signal. Then it sends to the ESP8266 controller, which evaluates the condition, and then it sends the signal to the relay, which controls the electrical appliances of the room. So we have come to our fourth slide, which is system architecture. What it is system design overview. So a modular and layered IoT system which is connected from front end to hardware. The front end dashboard is designed by HTML, CSS, JS based interface for real-time control of the system, and ESP8266 controller, which is a Wi-Fi based controller. It is the main brain which handles all hardware control logic and sensor signal processing. And the third point of this system design overview is PR sensor layer. It detects human presence and the system responses in real time. The fourth point, relay module. It controls all the electrical appliances and it turns lights and fans on and off. But it does that automatically. Front end implementation. So now we have come to our front end. So dashboard interface. So the tech stack of dashboard interface is HTML5, which is used for a structured page layout. CSS3, which is used for theme, design and responsiveness. JavaScript, which is used for interactions and real-time data simulation. And this is the modules and energy monitoring panel, and also alert and security module, attendance metrics view, and system control panel.
So in our project Classense, I have done the IoT integration part with different sensors and also connected the backend via the Raspberry Pi using some real live data integration with the results of PIR sensors and RFID cards. So, and manage the backend part, like Raspberry Pi is the main server, and with that I have used Node MCU as the internal and other device which controls PIR sensor, and Raspberry Pi would handle uh, all this via Wi-Fi, and also for the backend, like I use Python Flask which handles all the stuff, and also our project was mainly uh, on some type of research that we have done, like how to save electricity in the classes. Like most of us know, when there are no students, like there would be electricity going on, and but we have designed a system like that. If there is no one in the class, automatically the power would be off, and a notification would be sent to the security guard that there is electricity in this particular room, so that we can save the energy for future needs.